has to be apples to apples. So if they're finance major, the internship that they are working in has to be finance related. So the principles that they're learning in the classroom, they can be applied into the job. So it have to entail more than just, answering the phone and maybe filing, invoices or whatever, which is part of the job under as other duties assigned, but they must be able to apply what they're learning in the class to the job and see how it works together. So there's also some restrictions or some requirements that they must work a certain amount of hours during the internship. So there's a cumulative of maybe about 160 hours, and then for accounting, it's 250, I believe, to qualify for the academic credit that they're seeking.
The academic credit, as Craig had indicated, is you are awarded that because the duties are being applicable to your career and your major. And we do look at each internship to make sure that it warrants the academic credit if the student so wants it. Now, some students don't need the credit. They will go ahead and just do the internship, as I indicated earlier, what an integral part it is of your curriculum plan. So you need to do it one way or another. But the nice thing is, as Craig said, you also will get the academic credit within your degree. It can be an elective or one of your major courses. Each major is different, and you would want to work with your academic advisor to make sure where the internship fits. In sales, it is required. So there you have to have an internship. So we have the flexibility to work with our internships. You're getting paid along the way. We are averaging $12 to $13 an hour for an internship, and as high as $25 an hour. So you're getting the practice, you're getting your pathway to a full-time opportunity, you're getting academic credit, and you're getting paid a good salary. So it's a win-win for everybody. Now, you can only get credit in the same major one time. You can't do 2 finance internships and get credit 2 times. You're going to get it 1 time. But if you are a double major and you are in accounting and information systems, for example, you can do an internship in accounting and then get credit, and you can do an internship in information systems and get credit. So it is discipline specific with the internship and the credit.